Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video let's take a look at Sofi Technologies. As you are aware, I talked about in my previous videos that Sofi earnings scenarios and should we buy or sell after earnings, and how things were looking like going into the earnings, and based off of even the gap down that we would get. As you are aware, I talked about even if we come down to 1563 area, again I won't be precise video to video what that area is because it's a zone, but the point being that's the zone. $15.60 to 70 cents is, even if we gap down, we'll still be fine in the overall structure of SoFi. It won't change itself to bearish, and we are getting just that. So in this video I want to go over, is this time to load up more or should you stay away from SoFi? So let's talk about that, but before that I also want to point you to a video on SoFi. Just go to my channel, SoFi videos, check those out. That will give you a background understanding. You can just go to the playlist section here on my channel and just go to SoFi playlist, and you will see every SoFi stock coverage that I have done in sequence. And if the video of SoFi is not coming over here on my channel, that comes out for the members only coverage. Details, I'm talking about 30 plus stocks there with the members, and the list will keep getting bigger and bigger. Details, check out the links in the description of this video. They are Patreon links, and that will give you all the information that you need. All right, so here, speaking of SoFi, and as I just said, we are just fine. We'll be just fine until $15.60 or 70 cents area, the zone, and we are just getting bought back up. Now, yes, that was after earnings, we had that gap down. It was also caught up with that whole DeepSeek AI debacle that day. But then thereafter, look at how beautifully we got bought back up in the blue box. And yes, we have turned around intraday, have gotten out of those cool off and pullback zones. This is the zone that we had to get above in the near term. I don't want to draw so many blue boxes because it just defeats the, not defeats the purpose, but what I'm trying to say is just you don't know what that blue box up on the top means and here means and down below means unless you are following videos and taking notes every day, right, with these videos, but which again, like, I don't expect you to take. Again, if you're taking those notes, I really appreciate that, but again, we all have busy lives, and there is only so much we can do, right? So all right, so intraday we are just fine, $16.27 above. This is what I also, if again, members already knew beforehand. I did this coverage of SoFi yesterday for the members only stocks coverage as well in those 30 plus stocks coverage, and $16.27 was a confirmation zone. So we are getting up, intraday strength is coming back, and we are good to go. As long as we continue to stay above $16.27, strength will continue to persist on this thing, and we will have continuation direction to the uptrend. Again, as I always say, nothing is guaranteed. We have to have a stop loss, but on SoFi, I'm not worried from where the price is. I'm not worried as long as in the near term we stay above $16.27, and in the overall structure we stay above $15.65. So as what I want to see is that just a continuation now, because what I don't really like to see is that we go up and then we lose the next day. That pretty much is where you should then get extra cautious, because that means that the rebound has subsided and not necessarily there are enough buyers to push it higher. So, and that's why I give you these levels, so that these areas are areas of alert or trigger for you, or caution areas where things may start to shift. Anyway, so far SoFi looks good. In the price action, I'm going to get rid of that blue box. We don't need that. I'm still going to keep this one above because that is almost $17. I might actually a little bit change it around, but I think it's fine. Intraday strength has come, and definitely as we get above this $17 area, definitely that adds that swing bullish strength continuation as well on SoFi. So all in all, it's good, and that's all I just wanted to talk to you guys about in this video for SoFi, and I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.